Hi lovelies, welcome back to Sew with Adesola. In today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how to make this trendy handkerchief lace skirt for your baby girl. Without wasting any of our time, let's get right into the tutorial. For this tutorial, you need just about 1 yard of Ankara fabric. First, you want to fold your fabric into two just like that, and after which you're going to fold it into two again, which means that you are folding it into four, just as though you are folding your fabric for a 360-degree flare. And from the center fold, you want to mark 2.5 inches all the way around for your waist radius, and from there you will take 11 inches for the length of your skirt. This is the length I'm using for this particular skirt. You can decide to go lower or higher than that, and on this other part as well, you are going to mark 11 inches as well. And after which you are going to measure all that you have on this part, which means that we have 13.5, and I'm also going to mark 13.5 on that extreme end of the Ankara fabric over there, and I'm going to connect the two dots together just like that, and also cut out the unwanted part of this Ankara fabric. All right, now the next thing we're just going to do is to go ahead and cut out the excess part that we will not be needing for the measurement of the skirt, for the length of the skirt. All right, go ahead and also do the same thing. Once you are done doing that, the next thing we have to work on is to cut out the waist radius, and that is what I am doing right there. This skirt is going to have an elastic, so there is no need for us to cut it open. All right, now you can see it's giving us the handkerchief flare effect already. Now the next thing you want to work on is the band, and to do this I'm going to measure all that I have around the waist circumference, the waist radius right there, which is about 8 inches round. So in two places we are going to have 16 inches, and right here I'm going to measure 8 inches as well and add half inch to it because we are going to be joining this together. All right, so that means we have 8.5, and in two places that is 17 inches. I hope you understand what I have done right there. Go ahead and also cut the same thing for your own skirt as well. Once you are done doing that, the next thing we want to do is just to take the measurement and be sure we have the accurate measurement. You can see I have 4 inches right there and I have 8.5. Now what I'm going to do is to go ahead and stitch it using 0.5 inch that we added earlier. All right, so I'll just go ahead and do that, then bring the result to us to see what we have. And this is what we have after I was done joining it together at the center. All right, and I've also gone ahead to fold it, to iron it out just like this. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do is to take that open part and stitch it together. You know, it is just a 4-inch fabric. All right, so we are going to fold it into two just like I did here and stitch it all around, and you would want to leave about 1.5 or 2 inches so that we can pass our elastic through it. And after I was done stitching, this is what I had. You can see the opening we are going to pass our elastic through. You know, I said this is going to have an elastic waistband and not a zipper. All right, so here I've gone ahead to cut out the elastic that I will be using for this particular skirt, and right here I'm just going to pass it right into the waist, into the band of the skirt right here. So make sure that you are doing the same thing and ensure that your elastic goes round the band. All right, and after I was done doing that, I would go ahead and stitch the elastic together. Okay, so go ahead and also do the same thing with your own. This is what I had. You can see I've gone ahead to stitch it together, so I'm just going to pass it well into the band, and then I'll stitch the open area. And after I am done stitching the open area, the next thing I'm going to do is to just notch a particular point, which is going to be my starting point. All right, now that point we left earlier, that opening that we've gone ahead to stitch together, that is where I'm going to be placing that is where I'm going to be starting from. All right, so I'm going to place it on that notched area, and then I'm just going to take it round the circle just like that. Then I'll go ahead and stitch it together, and after which I'm going to fold the hem of my skirt just like this and stitch it as well, the four sides of this handkerchief flare skirt. All right, and after I was done, this is what I had. You can see it gave us the handkerchief flare effect already. You can see our band. This band is very comfortable for a 6-month-old to about a year-old baby girl. All right, because this is actually for my niece. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.